In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a domain from GoDaddy. Buying a domain is a crucial step for anyone looking to establish an online presence. Whether it's for a personal blog, a business website, or even an online store. It starts with finding the perfect domain name that represents your brand or personal identity, and GoDaddy is one of the most popular platforms to help you make that happen. So let's dive right in and take you through the process step by step. To begin, go to the GoDaddy website. Once you're on the homepage, look at the top right corner and click on the Sign In button. This will bring you to the login page. If you already have an account, simply enter your credentials and sign in. If you're new, you'll need to create an account, which is straightforward and usually requires basic information like your name and email address. Once you are signed in, it's time to search for your domain. You'll find a search bar prominently displayed on the home page. In this step, think of a few variations of your desired domain name in case your first choice isn't available. Type your preferred domain name into the search bar and press enter. This will initiate a search to see if your desired domain name is available. When you find a domain name you like and it's available, you'll have the option to add it to your cart. You can usually see this option as an add to cart button next to the domain name. Alternatively, you might see a button that says make it yours, which essentially does the same thing by adding the domain to your cart. Once you have your chosen domain in the cart, click on Continue. At this point, GoDaddy may present you with some additional services that can be added to your package, such as domain protection and logo creation services. These add-ons can enhance your domain security or help with branding, so consider your needs carefully. If you're not interested, you can proceed without choosing any of the additional offers. After that, it's time to review your order. Click Continue to Cart, check your shopping cart to ensure that everything looks right, and then proceed to the payment and checkout section. You'll need to enter your billing and payment details. GoDaddy accepts various payment methods, including credit cards and PayPal, making this step convenient for most users. Once your payment is successfully processed, you'll need to review the total cost, and if everything is correct, click Complete Purchase. Keep an eye on your email because once the payment is confirmed, GoDaddy will send you a confirmation email with the details of your purchase. Finally, your new domain will show up in your GoDaddy account under the My Products section of the dashboard. From here, you can manage your new domain and start building your online presence. Congratulations, you've just purchased a domain from GoDaddy. Whether you're setting up a website or holding onto it for future use, owning a domain gives you control over your corner of the internet.